What's going on, people? So check this out. Today we have a fun-filled day in the custom world. We have to do, well, we're actually doing a custom, I think it's a quad or ATC for Popeye's paint. Mark's Motorsports just dropped off a Triumph T100 seat that we're doing a custom kind of scrambler brat style seat to, which will be kind of cool. Okay, so I have to finish up a pair of our production seats. As soon as those are done, I'm kind of stoked because we're gonna do a custom Yamaha seat. I'll put that on a video, and then we are on the Mustang. We're gonna get that thing off the table. See, my hands are over here. I can't wait to get that thing off the table. You have no idea how. Okay, so we got a production set of seats out. Now we are about to do a seat for a Yamaha custom seat, black and orange. Let's get this done. Seat is all foamed up. It's a little different. We put a little kick in it for him so that when he sits in there, he has a little bit of a shelf so he doesn't slide out the back. Angle the foam, put a better grade foam on there, and now we have it covered. So he actually had this Mustang seat, and he actually likes that pattern. So he wants us to do a black and orange with an orange stitch on there, and very similar to this. So we're gonna go upstairs and actually make it cover. This customer, like I said before, he likes this Mustang seat and he wants it to run off and wants that same pretty much pattern that's on here. I'm duplicating something similar, but I think cooler. What's difficult, why a lot of people don't like these runoff patterns, including myself, is we're doing seat pans that people modify or made themselves. And even when they do it right, a lot of times, a lot of motorcycles, they're actually not centered, so the seats aren't centered to the tank, or the seats aren't centered to the rear fender, or if it's like a single-sided swing arm, or it's a belt drive or right side drive, each thing's set up differently, so sometimes the seat, things won't be symmetrical. So if you can see, like on this seat here, this isn't symmetrical even slightly. This was modified. The Mustang would never let this slide, but if you look, you can see it's just all weight. That basic design, and we're gonna go like that. I am gonna run another stitch off of here. So this is no bueno. So we're gonna have a similar pattern, but I think it'll fit this one better. I'm not a big fan of doing just smooth colors on it. We're gonna try to offset it. So the middle here is gonna be the orange, like a Harley orange, even though it's a Yamaha. And then we're gonna do a matching texture black on the sides. And then we'll do an orange stitch on the black and a black stitch on the, well, I think we're gonna do an orange stitch on the black and an orange stitch on the black, and then just leave the black, the orange smooth. But it would be nice to put some sort of black stitching in there, but he doesn't want it. So we'll stitch this thing. Well, actually, we're gonna make a pattern and I'll show you that.